Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are ready to go. AMC still looking okay. It's not doing anything great right now, but it's still in the green. We've got Farmy in the red, Biora Therapeutics in the green, GameStop also in the red, and the NASDAQ sitting right around break even today. But who do we have first in the chat? We got Paul Wrights first in the chat today. What's going on, Paul Wright Lawns? Tim Hogan, Paul Wright, Tim, Paul, Keith, Tim, Juana Silva. Hola, Juana. Hola. Hope you're having a great day today. We've got Tim, Paul, Outdoor Smile, Juana again. Hola, everyone. Yes, AMC Trapper in the house, baby. What's going on, AMC Trapper? Glad to have you in here, man. Missed you in the morning stream. Moji, Tim, Keith, Moji, AMC Trapper, Keith, and Forgot My Cup. Let's go on over to the market, guys, and see what we got going on over here. We've got AMC in the green at the moment, sitting at $14.52. It is 10 cents in the green right now. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $11.72. It is down 3.70%. GameStop sitting at $125.25, down $11.86 or 8.64%. Farmy getting just blasted. What do you guys, I don't know, man. I think tomorrow may be, I think I may sell tomorrow. If there's not a solid, strong day, I may take my loss and move on over to something else tomorrow, because this is trash right here. This is trash. So I don't want to hold trash in my portfolio. I think tomorrow we may take it off the watch list and just never look back. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin in the red right now. Bitcoin sitting at 31.6. Sundial, 39 cents per share. Mullen Auto still sitting up 48% on the day. Mullen Auto having a wonderful day today. CEI sitting at 67 cents per share. The SPY is at 414. PBIG, $2.31, down 5.5% on the day. Highcroft is up 3%, and Netflix up 1%. Knocking on $200 per share's door again. Hopefully it breaks through it if you guys are in Netflix. Oh, yes. Good past 2 market days with IMPP and Mullen. Yes, IMPP did. IMPP, I think it's down a little bit right now, though, isn't it? IMPP made down at, yeah. No, Keith, yeah, definitely. It is down a little bit right now, and it's still doing pretty good over the last few days. Paul Wright, Tim, what's going on? Moji, what's up, my guys? What's going on, Trapper? Hola, Juana. Yes, Remy. Remy, better calm down now, Remy. Better calm down. Incredible AMC. Crypto Rocketeer had a great morning, up 15% today. And now AMC is back. Trading in, is it red? Is it red? It's green right now. AMC is still 4 cents in the green. Oh my god. Hey, dude, 4 cents in the green is better than Farmy being 18.70% in the red right now. So, losses are among us, ladies and gentlemen. It is okay, a Crypto Rocketeer. Losses are among us all. So, I'd love to have your take on the executive order that goes into effect on 6/3. The reason I ask is because it does appear to be pretty consistent in making us fly up. I'm not going to lie, dude. I'm not going to lie. There's so many executive orders going on right now. I don't even know what the one going in on June 3rd is supposed to do. So, I don't want to lie to you and act like I know exactly what it's going to do or how it's going to affect these stock prices. I wish I did, but I honestly don't, man. Let's see. Clay should get hairline. Nah, Justin, I think before I would ever do that, man, I'd probably just wear a hat, if I had a problem with it, but I don't mind my hairline at all. Kind of reminds me of Vegeta. You ever watch Dragon Ball Z? Vegeta is one bad dude. You don't mess with that guy. Hey, bro, my G, your Luna video is trending in Dubai. PS5, how you know my video is trending in Dubai? You're in Dubai? My PS5, are you in Dubai? Or do you just keep up on YouTube Dubai type deals? It isn't entirely possible with the executive order coming into play on Friday that AMC will not run. This lines up to the same time last year. We do live in a different world now, Johnstontown. We live in a completely different world now than we were living in 1 year ago. Very similar price action leading up to the same time frame. But you are right, my friend. You are right. We do live in a different world, and I don't know if we are seeing anything conducive to gains right now. Look, AMC just turned red, man. AMC just turned red. Honestly, sometimes when you get hot, I don't know if it's like testosterone that starts rising, blood pressure that starts rising. I don't know what it is, but sometimes honestly, I would just like to reach out and smack the market. I don't know if anybody else has that sensation, but I sometimes would like to reach out and just smack the market and tell it to calm down a little bit, because it is overreacting to nearly everything that is going on out there. Loaded up on Solana. Moto Lifer, very nice. You in the $40 range, or where you at? ApeCoin price predictions. YNB Byte. I like ApeCoin. Okay, I like ApeCoin surrounding NFT projects. Okay, let me be very clear about that. I don't like ApeCoin just because it's a DAO, decentralized authority or whatever. I like ApeCoin surrounding and as a currency for Yuga Labs NFT projects. So how high can ApeCoin go? I don't know. But I do believe whenever the next NFT project from Yuga Labs is released, whatever the price of ApeCoin is then, I would absolutely expect a big jump and increased demand if they make it the only token you can buy those NFTs with. If that's the case, dude, I absolutely expect ApeCoin to continue doing very well anytime there is an NFT launch. Hood bro, it's Jimmy Neutron. Paul Wright, yeah, dude. Listen, I think tomorrow's my last day, man. I think tomorrow's my last day. I'm not gonna sell it after hours. If it does not do anything magical tomorrow, I'm not gonna sit here and hold this dying animal. I would rather actually hold a dying animal than hold this stock any longer. So, hey man, maybe I can pump something else up. I don't know. Maybe we can pump something else up. Once those funds settle there, we'll be good to go. Tony, how much SHIB should we own? And can Luna Classic pump 1,000x? 1,000x, I believe, gets you to $1 from where we're at right now. Am I right? I believe 1,000x gets you to $1 from where we're at right now. So Tony, 2 questions. Good. Let me answer them. Number 1, how much SHIB should you own? You should own enough SHIB that you're at the level, you do your own cost analysis and your own research, and the fact that if you think SHIB can go to a penny and you're going to be happy with 100 grand and, so on. But you're holding too much when you can't sleep at night. When you're constantly worried, when you're constantly upset, and you can't sleep at night, you're holding too much. So you got to look at it that way, man. It might not be, you gotta hold 1 million, you gotta hold 1 billion, you gotta hold 100 million. Those numbers are gonna vary per person, but you do know you're holding too much if you're constantly upset and you can't sleep at night, man. And then can Luna Classic pump 1,000x to $1 per share? The short answer is yes. The long answer is yes, but not if it doesn't burn the supply. A $6.5 trillion valuation on Luna is not going to happen, unless it's 2050 or something, and the cryptocurrency market is sitting at like a $100 trillion valuation. We're not going to see a $6 trillion valuation on any meme coin. We're not going to see a $6 trillion valuation on Terra Luna Classic. Now, burn initiatives are absolutely heating up, and if they continue to grow, then yes, I do think that it can 1,000x from where it's at right now, but a lot has to happen before we get there. So it's not going to be easy. Please don't expect to wake up tomorrow and see $1 on Terra Luna Classic, but I do think it is possible if all the pieces fall into place. Hey, from Denmark, love the live stream. Thanks so much. Thank you to AMC to the moon. Heidi, thank you for being in here. Really appreciate all the way from Denmark too. Very nice. Hello, Heidi. Moji, thank you for welcoming Heidi. I thought of selling some Luna, but can't even if I wanted to. Caesar, you're diamond-handed. You're diamond-handed not by choice. You're diamond-handed by force, man. Heidi in the house, baby. Oh yes, model consolidation before explosion. AMC 7 apes, man. 7 apes. I hope so. Let's see this. Let's see. I want to go back out to a daily chart on AMC back here. AMC back in 2021 before the explosion came up here to this $16 range, and then it had a very nice after hours breaking through. Slightly different than what we're seeing right now. We broke up to $16 in the pre-market today, but then we fell back down a little bit. So I would have loved to have seen some follow through from that $16 mark, and we would have been in a very, very, very similar situation to where we were back on May 25th of 2021. We did have that pullback down here to around this orange line here at 1450. So I'm not exactly sure if we're going to be seeing very similar action or a very similar trading pattern to what we have or what we had back in 2021. But dude, we're knocking on the right doors, man. We're knocking on the right doors. This level right in here, like $17 per share, is basically the last level you got to break through before we see, potential run up. Now, because we had come down so steady, we do have lines on the chart that are going to lead to some more near-term resistance, and it's not going to be as easy just to rocket back up to $72 with all of these levels of resistance in play. But yeah, dude, I mean, if you look at it, if we start to break through these lines here, like we tested pre-market today, we absolutely could see a run back up to 21 and then a run back up to 34 like we did here. So AMC definitely not dead. I don't know if it's a consolidation before rip. I would hope so, but I don't think it's necessarily like a consolidation before a massive rally like we saw last year. That's going to be tough. Man, these naked chats, guys, calm down. Like, I don't know if you're bots or if you're actual people out there. Just change the name and come in here and tell us to come check out your OnlyFans or something. Like, that's the way to go about it. People would probably be much more receptive if you came in here and said, oh, hey, you guys are great. I'll become a bro. Check out my OnlyFans. They would love that. Don't come in here with naked HDXYG cheap sex streamer thing. It's nonsense. It's going to get you guaranteed blocked. XRP Army in the house. Nice, man. $1 short, 9 minutes late. Nufo, you in here, man? In case I forget, happy Nufo, dude. Nufo did this last year, man. Nufo did this last year. He started wishing me happy birthday, like a week after my birthday. Wished me a happy birthday, like every stinking week throughout the year. So Nufo, man, you won't miss it. You won't miss it. And thank you for the happy early 34th birthday. It's going to be good, man. It's going to be a good one. I know 34 is going to be just as good, if not better, than 33. Here's the guy who wants pictures of fruit. There you go. Tim wants pictures of fruit. So if you just come in here and hang out with Tim for a minute, you'll be good to go. Stuck on my Coinbase Pro. Luca Tony. What are we talking about? How do I sell my... Luca Tony. So it's stuck on your Coinbase Pro. I don't have Coinbase Pro, man, and I don't use Coinbase. I know that it's frozen on Voyager as well right now. And as far as like centralized exchanges go, dude, that's the thing, man. If they want to lock one up, they can lock it up. So I don't know when Coinbase Pro is going to be, I guess, opening it back up for trade, and I don't know at this time when Voyager is going to be opening it back up for trade either. Juana Silva says, AMC, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Hey, I know you have several times said you aren't going to say how much Shib you hold, but could you feel comfortable saying if it is 100 million? Photo lifer. Yes, dude, I can feel comfortable saying it. But... no, I don't want to play guessing games, man. I don't want to play guessing games. I want that to be my thing, at least for right now. I want everybody to feel like they're holding the amount that they should be holding. And if somebody in here's only got 1 million Shiba, and, let's say I'm sitting on 1 billion Shiba or something, I don't want them to feel like I got, too little. Or if I'm sitting on 1 million Shiba and they're sitting on 1 billion Shiba, I don't want them to be like, oh, dang, this dude's only got 1 million Shiba. There's no way I should be holding 1 billion Shiba. So, yeah, we could play plus or minus games all day long, but I don't want anybody to feel included or excluded based on what I hold. That's the thing, man. Like, your money is not my money, right? It doesn't, I want to see everybody making as much money as possible, but it doesn't really affect me. Like, if you're down, right? If I'm down, it doesn't really affect you. So I want everybody in here to one day, man, if I just completely disappeared you are 100% confident that you can go forward and make as much money as possible throughout the rest of your life investing, and you don't have to rely on anybody else to make your decisions for you. I have a Bizarro World OnlyFans. You pay $5 for news, $50 not to get new. Tim, that's the way to go, man. That's the way to go. Sometimes people would pay more not to see it. Click wink twice if you own over 100 million Shiba. Wink twice, blink twice, or wink twice? Which one is it gonna be? And then I just winked like 10 times. So I guess AMC needs 5 to 10 billion in volume to get to $30. Diego, yeah, man, we need to sell a lot of shares. We need to trade a lot of shares at AMC to see it moving there, man. Tony Unknown, thank you for the super chat. Tony says, I currently use the rewards Crypto.com and Nexo.io on True GBP, a stablecoin, then buy other cryptos and earn rewards on them too. Tony, any way that you can stack rewards is solid, man. Any way that you can stack rewards is going to be awesome. So if you're buying a GBP cryptocurrency out there, something similar to a USDC or something like that, awesome. I do not know what platform you would be. So Crypto.com and Nexo.io. I don't know what the best rewards would be for the True GBP, but if you like this stable coins, man, I don't know. I honestly don't know if Voyager is available in the UK either. But there's some platforms out there that pay like 9% to hold those stable coins that just sit at $1 and you don't even have to lock your money up. So, like Voyager, you can make 9% a year just holding your USDC, and I think that's pretty solid. Tim, how much for a year membership? It depends. Do you want the noodles or you don't want the noodles? What do you think about Spell Token? Isaac, I like Spell Token simply because of the staking, okay? I truly believe that the passive income aspect of a lot of these tokens out there is a major draw. And that's why I was just talking about VGX and Voyager. I like the fact that you can earn money on Voyager without staking, but clearly, making 30% annualized interest and things like that, using Spell Token and staking on their platform is one of the benefits. And I think it's cheap in price right now, and I definitely think it can go up in a thriving market. I don't think we're going to make any gains in the cryptocurrency market until investors become confident again. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. We're trying to fight the tide right now, and as hard as we kick and as hard as we try, we can't fight the overall tide. And right now, it is drawing us out. We have to wait for it to change, and then it's gonna be, dude. It's I gotta remind myself every day, right? I have to. Because if you don't, sometimes you forget it. And I know it sounds dumb if you're just sitting there all day long. It'll change. But it will change. And when it does, it is going to be massive, man. Luca Tony, thank you very much for the 9-month member chat. Apes in the chat, baby. Anybody else an ape out there? Luca Tony wants to know if anybody else in the chat is an ape out there, man. Congrats, Luca Tony. Absolutely, man. Click. You got a side hustle, like a trade or hobby you make or have made money on. Let's see, man. Like as far as side hustle, no. I'm dedicating a lot of time to, YouTube aside from investing, right? So aside from like investing in YouTube, things I've done in the past, I have renovated and well, I've bought and sold 2 houses, and then I completely renovated this one that I'm in now. So, but that's not like a side hustle that I'm doing right now. I spend a lot of time making content, making videos for YouTube, and having fun right now on this. So, aside from this, no, not at the moment. Luca Tony, congrats on that. Gracias, senor. Isaac, heck yeah, man. Isaac coming in with gracias. Gracias. I know that Juana's out there listening and she hears gracias. I like it. Europe reported 8.1% inflation today. It's all bad. My God, dude. When is does anybody know off the top of their head without me looking it up when the next U.S. CPI is? When's the next inflation report here? And is it going to be higher or lower? You guys think it's going to rise or fall from the previous report? I'm actually thinking it might rise. I'm actually thinking it might rise from the previous report. Tony says 1000x, baby. Tony, listen. The probability of 1000x in Luna Classic, I hope you know that it's not like a 50-50 chance or even a 10% chance that it 1000x's. There's a lot that has to happen for any coin to 1000x. But dude, I hope that everybody buying Luna gets 1000x. Even if you put in $25, right? Even if you just signed up for one of the accounts and got $25 in free Bitcoin and bought $25 worth of coin, I hope you walk away with 25 grand, man. I hope everybody makes a ton of money on it. Moto Lifer, so over 100. Moto Lifer, I didn't blink. I did not blink. I stayed straight. Moto Lifer, you don't know if it's yes or no, higher or lower. Nobody knows anything like that. Thank you very much for the 6-month member chat, Moto Lifer. It's a platform for U.S. stocks trading for non-U.S. citizens. Interesting. AMR. I do not know. You're are you saying you live in the U.S., but as a non-U.S. citizen, you want to trade stocks? Or are you saying, you live in Europe and you want to trade U.S. stocks? I would believe, man, that depending on your broker, you would have access to trade, any exchange. I'm sure there are brokers out there. And if not, you can trade, well, they wouldn't be ADRs. They would be whatever depository receipt your country would have. So you should have access to trade U.S. stocks in any of the country, like any of the major countries that are out there. But I'm not exactly sure which broker, especially if you're living in the U.S. but you're not a citizen, but you want to trade stocks here in the U.S. If anybody does have that answer, please, help me out because I don't have that answer. I just need a Lunk to hit 50 cents. Let's go, man. Luna Classic to 50 cents. I like it, and I want to see it happen as well. New foe! Thank you very much, because AMC Trapper's in here, baby. I know that's what it is. We got the banana. This is the lick and stick technique, ladies and gentlemen. You take that banana, you got it, you lick it. Eye contact. Most important. I almost forgot. Thinking about you, new foe, but I'm looking at Trapper. You take it, you lick it, you stick it. AMC Trapper and Nufo, man. Thank you guys very much for being in here. The best. Here we go again. Yes, Moji. Here we go again. Assidious. Hey, Clay. Today's Fed's meeting in a nutshell. As Jerome no longer is transitory, Biden is transitioning into his next... Thank you. Thank you for providing that update there, Assidious. Probably don't have a social security... Yeah, life of a nobleman. That's what I was thinking. But... You would imagine you would still be able to trade based on whatever country's citizenship you would have. I didn't even see this tick down. Did anybody else see this tick down? We seen like a massive... Yeah, what stock is this? So the SPY ticking down massively. This has been weird the last couple of days with AMC and some of these other stocks just getting ripped on like one trade candles and then coming back up. I mean, you can see it coming over here into the NASDAQ. Or coming over here into the SPY, sorry. Very weird that there's been this type of action like several days within the last week or two. I don't understand why it would drop 10% in a single tick like that. Bizarre, guys. Bizarre. Pharma needs to go back up to that $1.35 that it was sitting there on 2 shares, taking it up to $1.35, and then what do you know? 10 shares, $1.26. Oh no, $12, bringing it back down. $12, bringing it back down. Very, very nice there. Let's watch Bitcoin. Let's watch Bitcoin for a little while over there. That's what we got. Sound was muted, and that looked so wrong. Kong, but it felt so right. Hey, what's going on? Sorry I'm late. Work got me going crazy right now. Hemi life. Just glad to have you in here. Better late than never, my friend. Buy war bonds. Yeah, Isaac, you can buy bonds. Listen, I think this is a great time to buy bonds. That's what the overall market is doing. They're moving out of riskier assets and into safer assets. You're not going to make any money buying bonds and, playing it safe like that. But, hey, you're certainly not going to lose any money. So it is a much more conservative approach, but you could be doing very well if you do that. Yes, no social security number. I am based in the Middle East. Amir. I don't know how to say the name. I think it's Amir, maybe. Amar Mosin. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. No social security number, based in the Middle East, but want to trade U.S. stocks. If anybody living in or near the Middle East would know of a broker that would allow you to have access to the U.S. stock market, please help a friend out here. DXY doing today? I think it's down, man. I think DXY is slightly up today. Well, no. Up from where it was earlier. Still down on the day, though. Wow, weekly. It's weekly. We need a daily. So it looks like it is still down on the day, but up from where it was earlier. So rising quite significantly, actually, going from about $1.144 to $1.178, but still losing a lot of steam from where it was last week at 102. So falling, but bouncing back on the day there. Man, I'm not going to be surprised if we hit 100 points. Clear JJ, most likely until tomorrow, man. I'm not going to get out after hours, but I think I've suffered enough. And I don't know, dude. Why hold a piece of trash just because you think it's going to go up in value? Like, just because their book value looks great, just because their debt to equity ratio looks great, their debt to asset ratio looks great, they're increasing earnings, increasing revenue year after year, they're making sales, they're constantly growing, it means nothing. Right? It means nothing if management is willing to come in and dilute you time after time after time anytime the stock goes up. So, yeah, I think tomorrow I'm going to be calling it a day. I don't want to exit after hours unless tomorrow is, really something truly phenomenal and it's up 10, 15, 20%. I think tomorrow's probably going to be my last day holding, man. I'm trying to make peace with myself and just get out of it and admit that times are changing and then put it somewhere else and watch it grow instead of deteriorate day after day. Reptiluna burned 15 billion tokens and the holders are growing by 50%. Zachariah, man. That sounds like some phenomenal growth. No, I missed a Paul super chat. Paul, thank you for the banana, man. I would never. And I know why AMC Trapper was pointing that super chat out there. Paul, man, I'm thinking about you, but you know whose eyes I'm looking into. Trapper, Paul, I got you. It's called the lick and stick technique. You take it, you lick it, and you stick it. Paul, thank you very much for the super sticker. I love it, guys. I love it. Paul's got the best one. And JJ timed that one perfectly. JJ says, it's time to get hard. Like a diamond. JJ! Who else is hard like a diamond out there right now? Probably everybody. No, that's wrong. Put you up, Paul, man. I got it, Moji. And then JJ coming in with the diamond. I know it. Clay thoughts on the 75 Chinese military stock this Friday that will no longer be considered assets. Oh, is that the executive order that's out there? Dude, I honestly, no. I don't have any thoughts on it. I don't know how it's going to impact the market at all. AMC Trapper says, stop what you're doing and look right now. Thoughts of Shib going to $1 within the next 5 years. Unwanted chicken nugget. Yeah, I do think it's possible, but I think it has to burn a massive amount. And I'm talking hundreds of trillions. I'm talking nearly 99.99% of the supply if you want to get Shiba Inu coin to $1. Do I think they're going to burn that much over the next couple of years? Probably not. So I would say that it's not probable that Shiba Inu coin goes to $1 in the next 10 years. But I do think it is possible. But there's got to be a lot of burning that takes place. Lick and stick all day, baby, all day. Oh, yes. Oh, snap. Time to get hard. Oh, yeah. Remy knows the time it is. Max total supply is now 325 billion for Wrapped Luna. Interesting, Zachariah. The boys are burning big time then. Smashy that like button. Listen to Tim, please. Alex Salas, what about that 6,000+% on Luna wormhole? Alex, I did not see a 6,000+% gain, man. If somebody made 6,000% today, sell it. Take that profit. That's most likely going to see a ton of profit taking and come back down. I'll burn $1 billion right now. Chill. You won't burn $1 billion. Come on, Isaac. You won't burn. Isaac, don't burn $1 billion, man. That's a lot of coins. I don't even care. Even if you're talking about Shiba instead of Luna Classic, I'm telling you right now, dude. That's a lot to be burning. Oh, heck no. Not probable. Well, there you go, man. Not probable. We know the difference in possible and probable. I like it. Just finished mowing. Did I miss anything? 2 licking sticks, but nothing else, Danelle. Nothing else. Chicken Nugget. I would have $303 million. If so, that would be filthy. Dude, that would be filthy, man. That would be filthy. Remy, I hope you walk away with $304 million, man, and it goes to $1 and a penny. That'd be sick. Being the fact, Amazon is now burning Shiba. Do you think it will hit a penny within 2 years? Because Amazon ain't a small company. Yeah, Hemi Life. A penny? That's where you get your 6 trillion. I guess it all depends on how much they end up burning. Because I don't think it's going to reach a $6 trillion valuation in the next 2 years. But, you know, if they do end up burning, oh, man, I think they'd have to burn like, gosh, dude, still 90% of the supply or more. 1/10 of 6 trillion is 600 billion. Yeah, 600 billion. So 2 years, 600 billion at the same price as Ethereum. Oh, blah. Hey, dude, if they burn 90% of the supply, I'm not gonna say that's impossible. I think it's definitely possible to see some sort of a rally like that if the market starts to go crazy. You missed 2. Count them. 2 bananas, Danelle. You never want to miss a banana. Claire, so crazy that I like Shib now. Well, Shiba, I'm glad you like Shib because your name is Shiba, so good deal. Danelle, Shib at 99 cents, then dropped back down to 0.000015, and nobody took their profits, Danelle, because we were diamond handing to $1. Pull! Paul, man, thank you very much for the popcorn. Really appreciate the super stickers today, man. Darn, I thought AMC would close above 15 today. Such a tease. I'm telling you, new fall. I was hoping for a $17 close this morning pre-market. Oh, man, not even Clay with a few billion in Shib will burn 1 billion, so stop it, right? I'm saying, Moto Lifer, I don't think that I've got, I don't know, man. I don't know how much, I don't know if it's billions or millions or what. But, nah, dude, nobody should be burning at these prices right now. $11,730 worth of Shiba Inu coin just to burn it. I mean, if you guys are wanting to use the burn portal and really think that Ryoshi Vision is going to do well, then yeah, you could if you want that passive income. But that is a lot just to go out and burn. I'm telling you right now, that's a lot. Emma D, thank you very much for the super sticker. Emma says, meow, meow, meow. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Emma. The cat one is by far one of the weirdest ones, but I do appreciate it. Well, at least my yard looks good. You know what? I don't even know. I hate mowing as often as I have to mow right now. I like to mow once a week, but I'm not going to lie. I think I should be mowing here today or tomorrow because my backyard was starting to look a little raggedy. Nufo! Man, you guys are really killing the super stickers today. I like it. Nufo says, let's give me one of them unicorns there. I want to see one of them unicorns, Clay. I got you, Nufo. You ready for this one? This is like a rhino corn. Thank you very much. Nufo, man, thank you very much for the unicorn super sticker. I love it if when all of the new people come in here and they see me do a unicorn like that. Guys, it's a super sticker. You got to do what the super sticker says you got to do. So, Nufo, thank you very much for that super sticker, man. I almost said Paul says meow, but Paul says meow. Emma D knows what time it is. Oh, yes. I am cutting my food and drinks because I want to invest for the first time in my life. Do you think I'm going to lose all of my money? Shiba. It depends what you invested in, okay? I don't know if you're investing simply in Shiba Inu coin or if you're investing across the board. Here's the thing. If you set a limit for yourself, if you say, well, I'm not willing to lose more than 10%, and then you get out if you're at a 10% loss, the answer is no. You're not going to lose all of your money. The only way you really lose all of your money is like if an exchange, centralized exchange, just says, forget about it. We're not keeping this coin on here anymore. It's worthless. We're not giving you your money. Like, we're not just closing out your transaction or anything. Like if Coinbase wants to go bankrupt and they want to take your money, they said they could. What else you got? If a company just announces bankruptcy, yeah, you're probably going to lose like 70 to 80% of your investment if that's the case. So you can invest in some risky assets and lose a lot if you're not willing to set stop losses and so on. But I mean, dude, if you're managing your positions, I don't think that you're going to lose all of it. Outdoor Smile. Gosh, dude, this is actually bringing memories back. Lauren, if you're watching right now, I don't think you are, but if you are, Clay Roast Peach. Outdoor Smile, man. Thank you very much. And Luca Tony. What is this one? What is this guy doing? Oh, Luca Tony. No. Luca Tony. Oh, Luca Tony. Thank you very much for the super sticker, Luca Tony. And Grandpa Barney with the super chat. Grandpa has a question. Is Powell and Biden I don't know if Powell and Biden are lovers, man. Just a question. What's up, fam? I bought some GME, and soon as I bought it, gosh, going down in an earlier round. Grandpa Barney going down, swing in. Grandpa Barney making GameStop go down today. Yeah, GameStop actually did have a pretty hard day today. Down 9.09% today and down slightly after hours right now. Grandpa Barney, let's just say yes. I think that Biden and Jerome Powell do love each other. So, lovers? I don't know. But I do think that they love each other. So, we're going to have to see how that plays out in the future. It'd probably be much more interesting than things we got going on right now. Victor! Victor says, dude, I want to see how many bananas you can handle in one day. Clay, Victor, I got you, man. I'm looking right at you right now. I don't know if Trapper's still in here. Oh, he is. He's getting jealous. Victor, this one's for you, man. Take it, you lick it, and you stick it. Victor, thank you very much for the banana super sticker. And Grandpa Barney, thank you very much for the super chat as well. Hoodra, check Twitter. Forgot my cup. What's on Twitter right now? Anything on Twitter? Anything happening over there on Twitter? Let's see. Dude, I don't know. This dude is crazy, man. Look at his NFT. Yeah. Yeah, that one. What is that, man? Is that Batwoman? Catwoman? I don't know which one this is. That's an interesting one you got there. Forgot my cup. Dude, you got an imagination on you. Oh my gosh. Outdoor Smile. You know what Oh gosh. Oh, I was scared, man. I was thinking about Outdoor Smile and then oh, gosh. Yeah, dude, sometimes that one wants to make you pass out. Oh, my goodness. Juana Silva. How did you know this strawberry ice cream is my favorite ice cream? It's just the best. Like today, it's like 88 degrees out today. This ice cream is delicious. Juana, thank you very much for the strawberry ice cream. Juana, it is my favorite. Gracias, Juana. Thank you very much for the ice cream. And, Juana, I don't even know how to do this one. Thank you very much for the hearts and the ice cream, Juana. You are, tú eres increíble, Juana. You really are incredible, Juana. Thank you very much. Paul! Hello, Mr. Paul. Paul, hello for the mustache. Paul, thank you for the mustache. Paul, thank you very much. Grandpa Barney with the super chat. Grandpa Barney says, you should give Powell and Biden a banana eating lessons. You know what? I should set those two down. And teach them the lick and stick technique. I don't know if Natalie listens anymore, but Grandpa Barney, yes, Natalie did give some very good lick and stick instructions on how to properly eat a banana. Hot dog as well. So I do agree with you, Grandpa Barney. If I ever am in the same room as Jerome Powell and that guy Biden over there, I will definitely give them, I hope I'm never in the same room as these two guys at the same time, because I'm making a promise right now. I will definitely give them lick and stick instructions on how to properly eat a banana. Grandpa Barney, I got you, man. Pudgy, thank you for the super chat. Pudgy says, if you're listening, little sis, I hope you're having a great day with your chin up and a smile on. Every tomorrow is a brand new day. Dang it, Pudgy. You're amazing. To every little sister out there that's listening right now, for real, every little sister that's listening out there right now, Pudgy's right, man. Hope you're having a great day with your chin up and a smile on. Every tomorrow is a brand new day. For real, though, talking about, little sisters, you guys know I was supposed to be volunteering at STEM Day today, right? And they were supposed to be doing that STEM Day today. Well, my sister ordered a bunch of the science experiments and different things on Amazon, and they were delivered over, I think Friday or Saturday. I'm not exactly sure which day it was now. Dude, somebody stole $900 worth of science experiments and stuff for those kids to do at that school after Amazon delivered them. So they had to postpone the STEM Day, and I think they're doing it on Thursday now. Dude, people are ridiculous, man. They walked away with magnets and probably slime and or stuff to make slime. I don't know. Stuff to make the elephant toothpaste stuff where it just foams up out of the test tube. Dude, people, I do not like thieves. I do not like thieves. So, yes, if you're a thief out there, if you're thinking about stealing some Amazon packages, don't do it. Especially if it's at a school. Don't steal stuff from kids. That's just ridiculous. Outdoor smile. Oh. Outdoor smile. Thank you very much for the pretty little lady there, I think. Victor! Thank you very much for the dog, Victor. That's probably worse than the cat, man. Oh my gosh, my dog is terrible. Thank you very much, Victor. Really appreciate you. New Foe says, I forgot, I know how to eat a banana, but how do you do the hot dog, man? The hot dog's called the dip and shove. You take the hot dog and you dip it. You dip it in your favorite dip, and then it's very similar to the banana, but it's a shove, not a stick. You take it and you just shove it down your throat. Thank you very much for the hot dog. Victor, Thank you very much for the super sticker, Victor. Appreciate all of you guys today. This is a fun afternoon. My gosh, my goodness. What's up with all this sex? I have no idea. Grandpa Barney, these guys are coming out of nowhere with these Naked HD, XYZ, Cheap Sex Streamer recommends, man. I don't know. You're going to get banned when you come in here with a name like that. Come on, fake robots. Stop sending these robots in here. Juana Silva. Juana knows I'm hungry. Juana, this is delicious. Man, I think Juana says we got to go out to lunch sometime. Juana, I love burgers. I'm available anytime anytime. I'll just put it that way. Let's go, Juana. Let's go. Made me laugh. Sam the man. I'm glad you're laughing, man. Man, them tweakers, I got to beat something. Well, yeah, Life of a Nomad, the tweakers got to beat something decent. They do, I think. Watches as Clay falls behind on Super Stick Life of a No, who said that? Now I don't even know who said it. I'll never fall behind. Get goop! Get goop! Get goop! Get goop! Moji, get goop! Get goop, Moji. Get goop. Or good. Get good! Get good. Get something, Moji. Just get it. Oh my God. Emma D, thank you very much for the super chat. This isn't for you. I gotcha. This is for somebody else. Let's see who it's for. Can you please pass this on to help replace the stolen science stuff? STEM kids for life. Emma D, yes, I will help my sister out with that. And I am going to be at the school on, I believe, Thursday, unless some idiot stole the goods that were supposed to be delivered today. And by idiot, I mean that in the most, condescending, derogatory term possible, because I don't like thieves. But yes, Emma D, I will make sure that those kids have fun on STEM Day with their magnetic slime and their elephant toothpaste and whatever other science experiments and patterns and technology that they're going to have going on, and all of their different stations that they're going to be going to on Thursday. Emma D, incredible. Thank you very much for that. You did not have to do that, Emma D. You did not have to do that. I would rather just scold all of the potential thieves on the live stream and prevent any future thefts from taking place. Get good. Oh, it's get good. Get good. Get good. Yeah, it's get good. That's right. I forgot about that. That's a lot of baking soda. Someone stole 45 volcano project. Yeah, dude. I don't know how many volcanoes there would have been. But yeah, they probably did steal a ton of baking soda. They stole a ton of probably little shaved iron or whatever you would make magnetic slime out of. I know for a fact that there were those neodymium or neodymium magnets or whatever. Gosh, what are those really strong little magnets, that those kids can move the slime around with then when they make the magnetic slime? I know those were in there, like the other, I don't know. Those are really the only things that I know that were in there for sure. I forget what else I forget what else these idiots stole. But all I know is they better be teaching the community now. They better take it home and have a bunch of kids over to their house and do a bunch of science experiments. Stealing that crap. Same as Emma. This is for Sis and the kids. Boom! AMC Trapper. I love it, man. I love it. We're going to make sure that these kids do have a good day on Thursday. All right, man. I will be hooking. I'll be hooking the sister up then to make sure that the kids are good, man. One idiot away. We are one idiot away, man. One idiot away from this world falling into destruction. Stealing candy from. There probably was candy. Yeah, there probably was candy in there somewhere. Stealing for the kids. Moji, man. Thank you very much for the kids. Yes. Now we're gonna make sure that these kids actually do it. See. Gosh, man. All right. Now I'm going to have to, all right. I'm going to have to see. I think we passed over into like thank you note or like thank you voice message or something, because I can't post these kids on Twitter or YouTube or anything like that. Yeah, now I think they're going to have to make a thank you letter or something at this point. Moji, man, thank you very much. Victor, thank you very much. Didi. All right, that's enough for they're still kids, guys. They're about to go on summer break. They're going to have fun anyway. Get good. Moji, man, thank you very much. Now I feel like, hey, Dad, if you're listening right now, text the sister and tell her to come in here and promise a thank you note or something. I don't know if anybody is listening right now. Yeah, you guys are absolutely amazing. DD214, thank you for the super sticker. Juana Silva, I promise, you have done enough. Thank you very much for the super sticker or super chats, all of you guys. Thank you very much for the super. Now I feel like I'm gonna have to buy all these kids lunch or something. Thank you very much for all of the super chats. God, for the kiddos. No, another one. Yeah. Hey, Dad, if you're listening right now, I don't know, Mom, if you're listening right now, sorry about all of the licking sticks. Tell the sister to get in here, and this is like incredible. Get good. Yes, man. Wanna, thank you very much. Danelle, thank you very much. Victor, AMC Trapper, we got DD214, Moji, man, Emma D. Thank you guys very much for the super stickers. Really appreciate it. And yes, we're gonna make sure that these kids get all of their magnets and all of that stuff. And maybe I could do like an audio message or something. I don't think anybody, because you can't post kids without parental consent and stuff like that. But maybe I can do some sort of an audio message or something like that on Twitter and YouTube for Thursday after STEM Day. Sorry for the lick and stick. Yeah, if they're in here right now, sorry for the 4 bananas and the couple hot dogs that have come across the screen. But if you're listening, tell the sister to get in here because these guys are going crazy. Paul, man, thank you for the super chat. Paul says, for the kids. I love it, man. You guys, listen, you guys really are incredible, and you do not have to do that, okay? You do not have to do that. But it does seem as though I'm going to be hitting up the sisters' Venmo right after this stream to make sure that everything that was stolen is definitely replaced and gets covered for Thursday. Awesome, man. Thank you, guys. We need banana control. We do need banana control in here. Outdoor Smile. RJT, I have actually not checked out Jasmine Coin, man. I have not. Man, you guys, seriously. Paul, thank you very much. Danelle, thank you. Juana Silva, thank you very much. DD214, Victor, Moji, Emma, AMC Trapper. I mean, you guys are awesome. You know you did not have to do that, but I really do appreciate it, especially since it's not for me, right? Especially since it's not for me. Alan Smith coming in with a for the kids as well. Alan, man, thank you very much. It's different when it's not for me, man. It's different when it's not for me. You guys are awesome. So thank you very much for that. And now I'm gonna have to post these kids doing something. Moji, bringing it back. Yes, Moji. Saying, oh God, now that the sister's in here too. We got mom, dad, and the sister in here. But this is how you properly eat a banana, right? You've got it peeled. Eye contact is the most important thing. So, Moji, I got you. I'm thinking about you, man, but I'm looking at Trapper still. You take it, you tilt the head back a little bit, you lick, and you stick. Moji, thank you for the lick and stick technique. Really appreciate that one. Zachary says for the kids as well. Zachary, man, bananas are healthy. Yeah, but not when you eat 5 of them in a day, man. I'm going to die of potassium overload. Zachary, thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate all of you guys. Banana makes trap. Banana makes trap. Oh my God. Clay Army is, dude, the Clay Army is ridiculous. Zachary, Allen, thank you. Danelle, AMC Trapper, Moji, man. Juana's incredible. Diddy214, Victor, Grandpa Barney was in here a second ago. Moji, Emma, Emma D, AMC, you guys are awesome, man. For real. Johnny says for the Luna Classics buy. Johnny with the, yeah, Johnny says, let's bring it back to crypto, man. Johnny says, let's bring it back to crypto for sure. For the kids? Who are the kids, man? Nobody needs kids. Get the Luna Classics going on. Let's hope your sis isn't watching your super stickers. Weirdo Shrine, man. Weirdo Shrine. I mean, listen, I don't know, man. Maybe I hope she's not watching, but everybody's got to learn. And this channel is all about education. Financial education or you know, being fine education. Both of those are good by me. If she learned something, great. If not, well, I hope she learned something, because if she didn't, that would mean that she could, never mind. Great mojo and karma, everyone, for sure. Want to do it? Nah, guys, calm down, Sam, man. Get some crow. I actually don't have any crow. The only exchange, no, I got 2 exchange tokens. I got Binance and I have VGX. Those are the 2 exchange tokens I have. I do not have any crow in the portfolio. I have to do some extra prank. Yeah, Outdoor Smile. Me too, man. Me too. Clearbro isn't having cramps today. No, man. Got enough potassium to last me a lifetime after today. Education is important, Clay. Thank you. Yes, Frodo. Education is phenomenal. Education will help all of us get through tough times. And we do learn a lot in here. Yeah, I don't know if everybody needs to learn it or not, but we do learn a lot. And you know what? It's fun when the market's moving sideways, just like AMC is doing right now, sideways action. Shiba Inu coin, sideways action. GameStop, after hours, sideways action. Bitcoin, right now, look at this. Bring it in, sideways action. Farmy, bouncing around, sideways action. We've got Bior Therapeutics, was up a little bit, but sideways action. All the Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin down. Sundial, sideways action. You guys guessed it on Molinado, sideways action. CEI, you know it, sideways action. SPY, dang, break even, sideways action. BBIG, what is up with all this sideways action? Literally nothing going on after hours in any of these stocks right now. Look at this, man. 0.10%, 0.75%, 0, 0.01, 1, just drop back down. Mullen, 0. Like, literally, this is the worst after-hours action I have ever seen before. Everything is just sideways. My goodness. You'd figure we could get something. Yo, Frodo. Okay, sorry. Sam the man. You good, man. Gotta play hard to get with one. Yeah, that's what you gotta do, man. That's what you gotta do. Sideways is better than down. Shane, 100% of the time. Sideways is better than down, man. Wow, Clay's talking sexy. Shredder. I'll take it any way you want, man. But talking sexy, I like it. Clear, thank you for making me laugh. Sam the man. Absolutely, man. The best thing you can do on a hard day for the bro kids. New phone. Thank you very much for the super chat. Really appreciate all of you guys. Incredibly generous. I do not believe it. For the kids. Let's chill with the bananas now because there's no chance of parental consent and the kids are probably going to look up Claybro channel. Yeah, Pudgy, you have no idea. You have no idea. Like, I don't understand if these kids, they're in, I think, 4th grade, man. I don't understand if these kids all have cell phones, but my sister constantly tells me, they're like, they'll raise their hand and be like, hey, your brother's live right now. Your brother's live. And she's like, okay, well, we're in class, so you can't watch him. Yeah, but your brother's live. Okay, like they get their notifications and then they let her know during class that the live stream has started. So I actually would not doubt that there could be one of them watching right now. And shout out to you, shout out to you if you're going to have STEM Day on Thursday and being in here right now. I don't know if you're watching or not, but I hope you're having a good time because they really do let her know that I'm live during the day. Like she cares. like she cares at all. Pudgy, man, thank you. Nufo, thank you. I still see Juan on the top of the screen. Thank you. Moji, man, thank you. You guys are awesome. Turn your monitors to the left, and the sideways action goes Remy. You know what? I should turn my monitors to the left, dude. I would do anything that I can do. Make them vertical. I got to do anything I can to make sure that we've got some gains coming on here because I am sick of the losses. I should have paid attention in school. I wouldn't be cutting grass. I'd have a nice AC job, 9 to 5, and weekends off. Paul, yeah, but you know what, man? I'll tell you this. If you had your nice 9 to 5 AC job and all of that, you'd probably be wishing that you were outside, not sitting there waiting for your boss to tell you to do something too. The grass, no pun intended, is always greener on the other side, man. I'm telling you. I truly think that there's a lot of people out there that are stuck in an office all day that wish they were out, starting their own business, whether it's mowing lawn, landscaping, whatever the deal is, that people would easily overlook air conditioning for something else. So just know that grass that you're mowing, it is always greener on the other side. Sorry, Clay, missed your answer. Voyager hasn't given me my airdrop. Luna and Classic is frozen. Voyager is driving. Yeah, J Sierra. So I have not had a response from Voyager, but at this time, dude, it's frozen for everybody, right? And the only thing that they come up with is that they are trying to make it as I don't know, safe of a transition or whatever as possible for everybody involved. I truly believe that they should have had it done already, and they should not be taking this long because literally every other centralized exchange is doing just fine with the transition. I don't know why Voyager is taking so long, but I would not be concerned. I know some people are starting to show frustration and getting concerned, like they're not going to open it back up, or their money's just gone or locked or something like that. Don't be worried about that being the case, man. I don't think that they're just gonna freeze it and forget it. I think that they're just for some reason taking longer than expected. Paul, cutting grass is so much better. No, I'm not. Listen, I know that there will be a lot of people that would think the same way. Take Farmy and turn it into IMPB. Hey, Keith, man, at this point, I'm ready to turn the Farmy into just a brown paper bag at this point, man. Yeah. It sucks, man. It sucks, but, especially because I'd definitely be sitting on the majority of it at a long-term capital gain at this point, too. It sucks when a company's got strong financials, and then management decides to just trash the company by not only diluting it, but when they make their offering, they bring the offering in at a quarter of the market price. Farmy was trading at 80 cents a share. Like 85 cents a share, and they did a private offering, so you weren't even able to buy it, but they issued more shares at 30 cents. And then Farmy rose up to like 57 cents, and they did another offering at 22 cents. So it was, I don't know, man. Trash management, it really hurt the investors on that one, and I don't think they care. I think they would continue to do the same thing. So yeah, IMPP, AMC, Shiba, even Prague at this point beaten down. Maybe some GameStop. Maybe just throw it into a bunch of different things. But it'll be a tough loss when I do take the loss on Farmy there if I close out tomorrow when the market's back open. But, dude, you got to move on sometimes. You got to move on. So, unless it's having a phenomenal day tomorrow where it's up double digits, I think it's going to be very hard for me to keep it. Diamond hands by force. Caesar. Yeah, Voyager is forcing people to have diamond hands, man. Sunshine Pug. Something. I know I missed something. My concern is the airdrop. Jay Sierra, you're still going to get the airdrop, man. You're still going to get the airdrop. I don't know why. Like I said, I don't know why they're taking too long to do it. But if you held, like if your your Luna Classic is frozen there, then you're going to get that airdrop. Look at Juana's picture still on the top of the screen. My goodness. It's like a daily reminder that, Juana, you are here. I love it. You can always learn watching Clay Bro and eating different ways. Thank you, bro. Nufo, you're absolutely welcome. There's always a new and innovative way to eat something. Especially when, never mind. Pull right lawns. Oh my crazy BS. I ended up, machining. At least we're in trades and not paying $100,000 in student loan debt for a liberal arts degree and working at a coffee shop, Tim. That is true, man. That is true. I don't know everybody's situation out there, but it is nice to not have to worry about student loan debt and so on. Now, that's not me saying that everybody's entire debt load should just be forgiven, but, work hard and you get to that level of independence. You're going to be awesome. If only 007 stake Shib and burn the returns. 007? Did it? Shredder, I hope Grandma's doing well and home soon. Oh, man, Shredder's got something going on with Grandma? Darn it, man. That's not nice. Why is the pre-market... You know what, Nufo? I don't know why the pre-market was ripping today and then got ripped as soon as the trading day started. The only news articles that were out there was that Top Gun Maverick performed phenomenally. It was breaking records for Memorial Day weekend. And, I believe that's why AMC was doing very well pre-market, is because people were excited about the news that their revenue should be doing extremely well as well. So that's my assumption on it. That's the only articles that I could find out there. And then literally, it closes in the red after being up like 15% pre-market. I took my Farmy and put it in BKSY. Made more money in the past week than it. Tim, I guarantee. I'm not even going to be of the mindset that, I get out of Farmy tomorrow and it rips up and doubles in price. Dude, I honestly don't even know if I'd be upset. At this point, when you've watched something just do nothing but go down, you kind of have to step away from it, too. Because, in all honesty, if it continues to go down, I mean, if it continues to go down from here, if it just loses another 20%, dude, it's going to be sitting back under $1, and it's going to get delisted for sure. They're not going to win that appeal if it starts to trend downwards. So, yeah, I mean, it's an extreme risk. So if it does lose another 20-30%, it drops down 30 cents there, it is not going to be looking good. Oh my gosh. Get out of here, you naked HD. Go, 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 go. Goodbye. Tip backs, but I cannot comment. I don't want to offend anyone. Check me out on YouTube. Boom, boom, boom. Do it, man. Check Paul out on YouTube. For real, you guys should do that. Find in what? Oh. Dude, I don't even know how I don't even know how they can write that in their name, though. You know what I mean? Like, YouTube blocks those comments that come across. How do they not check the name? How do they not read the name? One record-breaking movie after another. It's just a matter of time before AMC is profitable and paying down that debt. This may turn into an extreme value play. Hey, Frodo, I hope it does not turn into an extreme value play before the MOAS. I hope it turns into an extreme value play after the MOAS. I don't want to wait that long for the MOAS. But you could be right, dude. You could be right. If they don't cover their shares, I mean, it's going to get riskier and riskier and riskier every single day for them because, yeah, dude, they keep increasing their revenue like crazy. Now, you know, I don't see eye to eye with Adam Aaron's investment decisions and buying companies like Highcroft Mining and stuff like that. But, whatever. He's a CEO and I'm not. I just think it would be much more beneficial to focus on AMC. Maybe pay the debt down, things like that. Oh yeah, Clay bro, my buddy and I are going to launch a project probably next week. If you could help us promote it, we'd appreciate it. Hey, Budgie, anytime you want to come in here, man, look, you guys know the drill, right? Anytime you guys want to come in here and talk about anything that you're doing, please do. Please do. Like, don't come in here with your name being Naked HD XYZ and think that's a good idea. But yeah, man, if you want to come in and talk about any of your projects, any other stocks you guys are buying, any cryptos you guys are buying, you guys know I'm good with that all day. I don't have AMC time, maybe coming soon though. Moji, I'm telling you, dude, I'm telling you, they are looking better every single day. We got AMC up top already. What do I need to load it down there for? Man, I wish this would just start to jump back up. You know, it may be getting ready for a second wind here. If it's able to break up through all of these lines. I know there's a ton of lines on this chart now. Maybe we should clean this up a little bit. We do have a ton of lines on the chart. 13? No, I want the 14 one on there. We can leave that 13 for another time. No? No, I wanted to keep the 14. Leave this one. I don't want it orange. Yeah. 1450 gets the orange. Alright, sweet. I cleaned it up a little bit. Good deal. Hey, I hope we do get a second wind here and it starts to go up. Let's see. What was up with Ryoshi's tweets, bro? Magnificent. What is that? Yeah, magnificent. So, I don't know, man. He deleted them, right? He deleted the tweets. Is that what we got, or is there something else going on now? Gotta go. About to board my flight. Taking the wife up to Frisco to see Tears for Fears in Concord, California on the 1st. Stuck in the 80s. Have a good one, bros. Hey, Victor, you too, man. Enjoy your trip, all that. It is 5 o'clock anyway, man. So we're gonna get off here, guys. Get your names in the chat. We'll do some shout outs. We'll be back with videos in 2 hours and in 3 hours, 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Eastern time. Let's get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout outs and then wish Victor a good trip as well. I think the rest of the week will play out. Hopefully green, Nufo. Hopefully green. I hope to see nothing but green for like 5 weeks straight. AMC rise or fall the rest of the week? Johnny, I hope it rises the rest of the week, man. It showed us what it's capable of. It already wants to hit that $16, $17 mark, so I hope we get it. But we've got some shout-outs. Moji, Emma D. I didn't keep track how much was erased for the bro kids in the last hour. I believe it was over 100. We've got, let's see, 10, 15, 20, 25, 35, 40, 50, 100, 110, 130, 140, $150. My God, you guys are awesome, man. $150 just in the last hour. That is ridiculous. You guys are incredible. Crypto Rocketeer. Boom, baby. Dabbing on them as always. We got Paul Wright, Frodo, Paul, Shredder, Pablo Ortiz, AMC Trevor saying peace out to the diamond-handed apes and the Shib army. Mela Mama's new foe, Shredder, Tim, Outdoor Smile, Shane, Magnificent. Let's go, man. Frodo, goodbye to you. Holding Juana Silva. If you are in here, please enjoy the rest of your day. Hope you have a wonderful evening, and thank you very much for the just like continued generosity. Juana, you're in. Oh, there she is. Bye, Clay. Goodbye, Juana. Sorry about my long monologue there saying bye to you. Don't want to take away from everybody else. So, Juana, yes, please do enjoy your evening. Crypto Burger, see you later. Moji, Juana, enjoy it. DD214, goodbye to you, Ronald. Paul, thank you, man, absolutely. And I don't know if there was anybody else in here that was listening that is not talking and getting a shout out right now, but if you are, shout out to you. Enjoy your evening, and you guys know what time it is, so if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.